Look at all this brush that we have. This is from trimming the trees, which we may have to do it again. We're needing to get rid of all this. All right. What we got right there?
We got us a predator chip shredder for all them branches that were cutting off and got piled up everywhere. So it says turn your yard waste into any yard mold. And that includes deer waste, cat waste, and the rest of the stuff that goes in there.
Okay.
Instructions. Don't need those. Extra part.
You definitely need those. Can't get rid of extra parts.
Definitely need my handlebars. Man, every pocket has something with that.
Man, how long is it going to take to put together?
I don't know, but that's to remove the spark plug. I haven't even started the engine. They want me to do work on it over there.
Oh.
What's up with that? Okay, that's the most put everything together. Like they forgot to put the other instructions on there. A lot of times they end up with extra bolts, better fuel economy. Alright. Look at these tires.
You got air in them already?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're not balanced, but we ain't going that fast anyway. So we have a lot of stuff to bolt together. Looks pretty good, I like it. Try to keep all the tracks together.
All right, the fun part is instructions,
Yeah.
not losing parts.
So we're getting the parts out to put the wheels on. So we'll put the tire on. Put the washer. And then the cotter pin. Then we'll bend the cotter pin around so tires can't come off.
Just like that.
Just like it.
Same on that side.
Anything on this side. Well, we're almost rolling. At least we can roll.
You can pick it up and roll.
You can pick it up and roll. It was heavy getting out of the box.
Yeah, it was.
It was heavier than I thought it was.
Yeah, I had to help get it out, so.
It was awkward because it was stuck in the styrofoam. And
Muscles, I helped.
you got the heavy side. I
Did
got
I?
the light side because I have to save my strength
Oh.
to put it all together.
Is that how it is?
It's all good.
That's how it is.
That's it. All right. Okay, we're getting ready to put the bottom on. So once we lean it over, this will hold up the whole thing in the motor. But we got to put our bolts through and put our shock absorbers on. So I already put the washers on the bolts. So we'll put those on. Shock absorber. Bottom bolt. Shock absorber. And then we'll put them all in. And put a washer on there and a lock nut. So we'll do this one. And a lock nut. Do that times 4. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and tighten all 4 of these up. Make sure they're nice and tight because you're going to get a lot of vibration from the engine. Of course, this is going to be sitting on the ground, so you want to make sure this is sturdy. Nice. Don't have to worry about it coming off. These little ratchet wrenches, they really make a difference. Make the job easy. And with the lock nuts, they're not going to back out, but you need to make sure everything's nice and snug. Okay, we're just going to put this bottom piece on here where we can stick wrenches into here. This goes up to 3 inches, they say. So we'll put a washer and a lock nut. We'll do that 2 more times. Okay, so we got our gasket and our bolts, so we're just going to put this gasket up here, line it up here. Then we're going to put our hopper on. Line it up. Bolt in.
Trying to get it through that gasket too, right?
Yeah. Put our nut on the bottom. Okay, that one's lined up. Go on this side. This one lined up. Yeah. Now on the bottom. This one should go in. Yep. Put our nut on the bottom. Do this several more times. Okay, we finished by installing the handle, and then we install the hopper guard. It's just a rubber, it has holes in it. This plate goes on there with 4 bolts. Pretty easy. And then we just put some oil in it, 1030 weight oil, and made sure that that's full. And I just pulled the cord a few times to make sure that the oil picks up. The cylinders are pretty well lubricated. I put some fuel in it, and now we're going to go ahead and choke it and start it up. Okay, now that we have it full of fuel, right here is the gas cutoff. We're going to turn that on. This one here is ready to start, and then all the way over is run. This is your speed, and then there's an off and on switch here. So we switch that to on. We have the fuel on, and let's see if she starts. Yep, I think we'll be able to get a lot done with this. It worked pretty good. What's surprisingly is it sucks it in pretty good. I mean, it spits it out. So as soon as it sucks it in, let go of the branch.
Yeah.
Don't stick your hands in anywhere.
You don't want to get sucked in.
No. Nope. I want to keep the fingers I got. But overall, I like it. Works very